elections and on the Sheriff Jen Olson.
Hello. I'm here tonight to implore this council to take the first step in restoring the full constitutional power to the office of sheriff. Per Article 9, Section 102 of the county charter, we may make an amendment one of two ways. One would be citizen signatures, and the other is by ordinance adopted by the county council and submitted to the voters at a regular or special election, and approved by a majority of those voting on the proposition. And when approved by the voters, our sheriff's full constitutional powers will be restored as of the certification of the election. The reasons I have been given by members of this body as to why we took away the sheriff's powers almost a decade ago is that corruption was running rampant in the sheriff's department, and that the requirements to be an elected sheriff doesn't include law enforcement background. Please explain to me how we've solved either of these problems by having our county executive appoint a chief of police in lieu of the citizens electing a constitutional sheriff. Plenty of room for corruption and zero accountability to the public for chief law enforcement officer. Don't get me wrong, I like and respect our county chief of police, but the power has been stripped from the one individual who is supposed to stand between the citizens and those who seek to violate our constitutional rights, to include the overzealous and abusive federal government. Please work together and draft an ordinance restoring the full power to the office of sheriff so that the people can vote to adopt the amendment. And this time, let's make sure those ballots and USB drives don't fall off the back of a satellite truck on a dark back winding road on the way to the election authority like they did when our sheriff's powers were stripped. We need protection now more than ever. Thank you.